How to log out of the Bybit application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bybit is a cryptocurrency trading platform known for offering a range of trading services, which include spot trading, derivatives trading, and margin trading. You can easily download this application by using Play Store or App Store. Once you have done so, just tap open the application. Once that is done, if you have logged in, you will land to a page like this. Then after, tap on the profile picture which is on the top left corner of the screen. Once you have tapped on it, you will land to this page. From here, you have to click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Tapping on the settings icon will take you to another page and then scroll to the bottom. On the bottom, you will see an option of clear cache, and just below that is the log out button. Tap on the log out button and then tap on later or enable now. After that, you have to confirm the logout and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.